Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to stick kitchen wall stickers like a pro. Wall stickers are a great way to add a touch of personality and style to your kitchen, and they are easy to install if you know the right techniques. So, let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the surface. The first step is to prepare the surface where you want to stick the kitchen wall sticker. Make sure the surface is clean, dry, and free from any dust, grease, or oil. Use a damp cloth to clean the surface thoroughly, and then let it dry completely. Step 2. Plan the layout before you start sticking the wall sticker. Plan the layout by placing it on the surface with the help of masking tape. This will give you an idea of how the final design will look, and you can make any adjustments accordingly. Make sure the sticker is centered and level, and there are no bubbles or wrinkles. Step 3. Peel and stick. Once you have planned the layout, it's time to peel and stick the kitchen wall sticker. Start by peeling off the backing paper from one corner of the sticker, and then slowly and gently press the sticker onto the surface with your hand or a squeegee. Work your way from one end to the other, smoothing out any bubbles or wrinkles as you go. Be careful not to stretch or tear the sticker. Step 4. Trim the edges. After you have stuck the sticker onto the surface, trim the edges using a sharp pair of scissors or a craft knife. This will give the sticker a neat and professional finish, and it will also prevent it from peeling off at the edges. Step 5. Finish and enjoy. Once you have trimmed the edges, step back and admire your work. Your kitchen wall sticker is now ready to be enjoyed. Wall stickers are easy to remove and reposition, so if you ever want to change the design, simply peel it off and start again. That's it for our guide on how to stick kitchen wall stickers. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. With these simple steps, you can transform the look of your kitchen in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.